What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have Evelyn's 6-year-old appointment checkup. How do you feel about that, Evelyn?
Scared.
Scared? It's not scary. It's not scary.
What are they gonna do?
It's just a checkup, a regular checkup, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to tell her because I know that she was gonna get scared, but we gotta get her ready for it. There's nothing gonna happen. I don't think so. I don't think that anything's gonna happen. It's just gonna be a 6-year-old wellness checkup. So we'll see you guys there.
I pressed that button, okay, Mom? How can I press that button?
Llévate a la bebé al doctor. She's taking her baby to the doctor. ¿Cuántos meses tiene el bebé? ¿Cuántos meses tiene el bebé, Evelyn? Espérate.
2.
Alright, stand up against the wall for me. And yeah, you got it, girl. It's coming. Hold on.
How much do you weigh?
So she started, and then I had to outsource just because of the waiting list. So she has they need to meet first for about an hour. And both of us, so it's on its way.
What is this for?
Was that scary?
A little bit.
No. What did they do?
I'm a little nervous.
¿Qué te hicieron? ¿Qué hicieron?
Letters?
You read the letters. They check your eyesight. ¿Y qué más? They check your height
Height?
and weight.
Weight?
You're getting taller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
¿Qué más? Te van a chequear los ears. Ahorita, ¿verdad? Ahorita le van a chequear los ears. She's gonna get her ears checked. So you got your eyesight test and then the hearing test. ¿Verdad?
what is this for?
Your eyes are good. Yeah. Now you can get back to your baby. To play
And that's
baby.
your little
To play
baby.
doctors with her baby at the doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, she got her mermaid.
Let me just take
Ya mismo viene la otra doctora y te chequea los oídos, la boca. It's a girl. Una señora. She's like, I hope it's a girl. Owen, the healthy baby.
In your mouth. Good.
Mhm.
Now I just need to cut your
Oh, mi teléfono en la cama. You
cut.
using my phone?
Yes. Let's see, Grandma. She's sick.
Oh, she's sick.
Yes. Cut.
Okay.
Cut.
Ay, ¿qué te corta? What are you cutting?
Her nails.
Oh, the doctor does that too? Okay,
Maybe.
maybe.
Because that's the way I want to do it. Little Mom!
¿Tiene fiebre?
No.
No, she's good.
Yeah. She just needs a shot.
Oh, necesita una puya. Do you need a shot? No, right? Not for today. Hoy no, ¿verdad? Hoy no hay puya, Pati. Ay, no, a esa le dieron una puya. ¿Le diste una puya a la mami? ¿Está llorando? ¿La mami está llorando?
No.
¿No?
Baby son
Ah, ¿verdad? Que el baby está llorando porque le dieron una puya.
No. I didn't even start haciendo esto. I'm just getting ready.
¿Todavía no le ha dado la puya?
No, I'm just getting ready for
Okay.
it. I just need to do everything with the baby.
¿Y tú quieres una puya?
No.
¿No? You don't want a shot?
No. I'm done.
Why? Why don't you want a shot? What happened the last time that you got a shot?
I'm dizzy.
You got dizzy?
Yeah, like this. I feel like this.
How did you feel?
And then I fell down on the floor.
You fell down on the floor?
Yeah,
Oh my
because I was
goodness.
super dizzy.
Yeah, you were super dizzy, ¿verdad? Because you're over dramatic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You good. Maybe the hair. Move it. There you go.
Do you hear a sound at all? No.
Right here.
There.
One more. Again. Okay. Could you lie down for me, huh?
¿Y qué hicieron ahora? What was that?
The whole thing. The
Uh-huh.
whole stuff made me like wiggle.
It was wiggly in the ear?
No,
And where?
I was like nervous. That's
You
why-
was nervous?
Yeah, when I was wiggling so much in the whole things.
You were shaking?
Yeah.
You was wiggling?
Yeah, I was scared. I was nervous.
You was nervous? You didn't have to be nervous. ¿Qué te hicieron?
My
Oído.
ear.
¿Qué hicieron?
Desde my ear
Te choquearon, te chequearon los oídos.
Sí.
¿Sí?
Chequeó mi oído.
And did you hear the beep in both ears? Yeah. We're back in the car. We're out of the appointment finally. How was it, Evelyn?
Good.
Good. Did you like the appointment? Was it scary?
Not that
No, right?
scary.
Espérate un momento.